There you go. All right, beautiful souls. I think I have finally found and set up the live stream properly. So, with that being said, um, this is phenomenal, guys. All right, guys. So, welcome back to the Crypto Bliss Show. This is the Spotlight Show, and I am going to be doing a lot more of this on a Monday evening at 7 o'clock. So I'm 9 minutes late for the first one, guys. But hey, this is my officially first time working on the live stream itself. And I hope that you guys can actually see some incredible information here on the channel. As you can see, Crypto Bliss Spotlight. So it will be listed for every Monday at 7 o'clock. And I will be doing that with you guys in the live session, of course. So, thank you for being here with me, guys. I truly appreciate it very, very, very much so. At the end of the day, I do recorded videos for you guys. I don't really do live videos, but I want to try and get the live stream thing going for you guys because I do believe that it is very, very, very powerful at the moment. And as you can see here, I'm working, it looks like I'm working on two. I don't really know what's going on here, but that's okay for now. At the end of the day, I am here with you and I hope you can hear me. So if you can hear me, please let me know down in the comments below. I would love. I would love to actually know where you're from in this wonderful world and what is going on in this wonderful world. So, yeah, if you guys can hear me, then that is fantastic. It seems as though my stream is a little bit delayed by the looks of it. So, I'm going to just work with it, whatever I have, guys. So, you'll get whatever information it is that you get here on this video. But, guys, make sure if you're here with me that you go ahead and click down, pinned in the comments below each video. There is an awesome bonus for you guys to go ahead and trade with me using my Bitflex link down below. So, let us go and have some fun with this channel today, guys. Welcome back. All right, so as you all know, we have had an absolute beautiful obliteration in the market today. This happened literally at like 3:30 my time while I was in the process of having a meeting. I literally, as we finished the meeting, I closed up and I said, hey, check out the Bitcoin price. It's actually pumped like crazy. And it literally happened like 15, 20 minutes just before I looked at that. And as you can see here, we've had this crazy pumping candle. This entire candle was a crazy, nearly 11% candle today, guys, which shows us at the confidence and the health that when these spot Bitcoin ETFs are launched, and forget the fake news about iShares, okay, which we'll go through in a little moment. So it was actually fake news, but undoubtedly so, guys. It is inevitable. We look at the RSI. The RSI didn't even do much really, but it is pulling up nicely. Volume increased drastically here. The candle's still looking well, and we're still holding nicely above that 200, which is essentially what we want to close this daily candle with today. Shout out 200 down on the comments below, guys. I would love to know what your thoughts are. Do you think we're going to close above that 200 today? We have now closed nicely above this 50, and you know, I hate to say this, but there are multiple patterns within patterns, guys. You guys already know my more higher time frame pattern where we have shoulder, head, and shoulder. But if we look on the lower time frame here, you can actually see that we're creating some sort of M pattern as well, but we've broken up to the top side. So that's invalidated this pattern. As long as we can close above that, this down sloping trend here, I believe that we will invalidate that pattern. So with that being said, you know, that brings me to a very, 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 very beautiful point of where we're at right now. So hopefully we can close above that 50. Cheers, guys. Drinking my green tea. Once again, guys, make sure that if you are watching this video right now, that you're subscribing to the channel, please. That would be much appreciated. I don't ask anything from you guys. You know, if you want to trade or you want to learn how to trade, subscribe to the channel and come and join me and trade with me, guys. My trade went absolutely ballistic earlier on. Yes, I should take some profits, but you know, really, guys, I'm in this game for a long time, and I have to say to you that I did say earlier on in my video, if you guys missed out on that video, that was this video over here. You really, really should go ahead and watch that video because that video talks about this. And if we go and look at this chart, this is the Binance one. That previous one I was showing you was the Coinbase one. So look at how absolutely beautifully this hit my target right here, guys. This was literally to the T, to the center of that circle, guys. I did say to you 30,200 would be my first initial target of this breakout of what? This other shorter time inverse head and shoulders pattern. Let's refresh this for us. I'm not sure why. Must be all the computing resources. Okay, so let's go here, BTC USD. Let's go back to Binance. Okay, pull in our chart here. Okay, you guys can see that, boom. All right, here is the shoulder, the head, and the shoulder pattern. Okay, and really the breakout was starting to look like this, which was actually this target all the way up here. But I said, because we need to be humble, okay, and why I said that was because this upward sloping trend, as you can see, it's held major for a long time. And we broke through over here, which essentially is bearish, right? Technically. However, what I did say to you was that we have this larger head and shoulders pattern, okay, which we'll talk about in a moment. But this smaller head and shoulders pattern that we formed here, I said that this would be the target. But because there was this upsloping resistance trend here, that we would, and this major horizontal trend here, that we would probably and likely hit that first and then get rejected from that level to come and hopefully retest this 200 and the 50, which the 50 should start crossing back over. Guys, I believe that will probably start to happen by the end of November, more or less. So another month of choppy action. But I do believe that generally from here on outwards is where Bitcoin actually tends to go parabolic. And I'd like to just show you something because this is the Bitcoin monthly returns. And I just want to go and have a look at November for us, okay? November's had really 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months out of the 12 years already that this is of bullish action. And look at the bullish action that takes place here. 12%, 470%, 10%, 21, 6, 54, 42. So this is massive. And then going into December, it gets even more bullish. And then coming back and drawing back to even January. January is even gigantically bullish, guys. Now that's interesting, right? Because those are the 3 months where people actually tend to spend the most amount of money throughout the year. So if I look at these charts, why would people not be wanting to invest into a Bitcoin, considering what is going on around the world? I mean, I do believe it was Jamie Dimon. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe Jamie Dimon came out and said, well, we're about 50% of the way to having World War III. Now, I don't know what you guys believe. Let me know down below. Do you think there will be a World War III? Let me know by putting WW and 3. Or if you don't believe so, then just, just absolutely, I don't know what, guys. Just put a little heart, actually. Just put a little heart, okay? Because right now, a purple heart, please, for the Crypto Bliss community. So you can see here, the 50 is starting to pull its way back up. The 200, since this level here, both of them, you can see, and 200 responded much quicker because it's more smooth. It takes longer to smooth out. But because it takes longer to, it's more smoothed out, it has actually, if we look at it and zoom into this very nicely here, you can see since this candle here, we started to smooth out. Whereas if I had to place that in the same position, we were still coming down here on the 50. And that's because the 50 is a little bit, it takes a little bit more for it to turn around. So check what it's done now. So first of all, we broke out of this zone here. We found support on my upward trending slope here, okay, which is very, very healthy, undoubtedly so. But what I would like to see, as I said to you, is a close above my 200 moving average on the daily time frame. So we have approximately, it is now 20 past 7 South African time. We have approximately 4 hours and 40 minutes for this candle to close in this manner, and hopefully it does. If it does, guys, I will say to you right now that we will very, very, very likely see some very strong bullish action coming out of Bitcoin from now, probably until the end of January, maybe even beyond that point, because we are already in a bull run, guys. And if you don't believe me, well, you know, have a look at the charts. The charts are telling us we're in a bull run, would you not say? You know, we consolidated here. We broke up. We created higher lows, higher highs, and we have been trading nicely up. The one thing that I believe, though, is that if we break through up here, okay, then we are, you know, we're in an interesting position because we're building a channel, which then at the end of the day would have huge resistance up here. And as you can see, this cup and handle pattern is still working its way to play out. But right now, between the top green line and the white line here, we are in a consolidating area. So you could have taken a trade over here at this breakout. You could have sold over there, shorted, taken a trade here, took profits there, shorted there, taken profits here, taken along here, and basically taken another trade there. So you would have, since the beginning, 16th of March, been able to trade. I mean, you don't know what the markets are going to do. So you just do your best to look at analysis and where resistance levels are, because as you can see, huge resistance right there, right? So, you know, and on top of it, we already drew this cup pattern with the handle pattern, which was here, which essentially would be considered, that neckline would be considered resistance also. And if we had to break out of that neckline, guys, as I've previously shown you, this is the target all the way up here at the 48K level. Now, that is a very, very juicy Bitcoin price, guys. So for me, I do believe that we are looking much, much healthier for the long and the bullish side of things than not. So, oops, let's put that back. And if we have to have a very beautiful squiz at this right now, the week hasn't even started and we are very bullish in the candle and we haven't wicked to the downside. We have good volume coming in, decent enough for the start of the week. We have the RSI still pulling up, so there is good momentum. And if you have to have a look, we are obviously at a resistance level there on the RSI momentum indicator. Now, you can see there and there, okay, are higher highs, okay, and then it kind of rolls over to this point, okay. So right now, that is a lower high, okay. So it is technically looking a little bit bearish, but honestly, the bulls have more control. And if I have to show you, look at the volume that has been here. And the reason that the volume has been like this is because nobody's wanted to get into the space, because Gary Gensler and his cronies at the SEC have been blocking the Bitcoin spot ETF applications. And for no reason. So, this 48K price aligns very, very beautifully. What I did was I drew the Fibonacci level from the top there right down to the bottom there, as you can see, and there is the 618. And as we all know, Bitcoin is absolutely magnetically attracted to the 618. And the 786 is also a decent level. And if we have to look at that, look at where that resistance brings us into. So eventually, when we do properly get out of here, we're still going to be choppy, guys. Sorry, I can't even draw that line like that. So we probably get out like this and then break through there, smash that, pull back down very hard, and then kind of hover here before we get up to this level. And then by that time, we're pretty much at all-time highs. So why wouldn't Bitcoin have enough momentum and velocity from all of this upward momentum trend to actually break through this previous all-time high up here at the 69,000 level? Okay, we literally are patiently waiting. And I just want to show you where, Bitcoin is this 618. Essentially, guys, if Bitcoin had to pull up from its position now to get to the 2.618 level, look at that price. That is $156,000. So Bitcoin's price very soon could end up pulling through, maybe within the next year and a half. I don't know. I can't predict, guys. But I'm just showing you what the charts are showing us. And that for me looks very, very bullish there. And we look like we want to get up to this 156, 160K level. So, if you're not paying attention to this right now, okay, I don't know what you're doing, but you need to be paying attention to Bitcoin, guys, because for me personally, you're very unlikely going to be buying it down here any longer. I think we've reached the bottom. And I say that also because if we look at this 50 that's pulling nicely in here, we bounced off of it very nicely over there. That's a decent bounce off of this. We've made a good pull up from that level over there. Look at where the stochastic RSI was. That is our momentum indicator. And we have only but been going up since then. So for me, this needs to have enough force and volume. And perhaps with all the noise that came about this week, that's what we'll see, right? So guys, let me know what you think about that down in the comments below, please. That would be much appreciated. And if you're enjoying the content, make sure to subscribe to the channel, please. I will delete all of these squigglies for us so that we can have pretty decently clear chart over here. And let's remember that this level of resistance actually also matters, right? And look at that level of resistance right there, right? That's where that candle needs to close above that level, guys. It's just as simple as that. So let's go and have a look at some of the fake news that was out there. So this is from Crypto Busy, but basically Bitcoin spot ETF approval was fake news. Cointelegraph previously reported that the SEC had approved iShares Bitcoin spot ETF. And as you can see, that really didn't happen, okay? Because we bounced up. If I have to go and have a look at this on the hourly time frame, let's go and have a very quick squiz at this on the hourly time frame. That is still gigantically bullish there, guys. I mean, look at that. That candle closed green, closed above there. And we're having a nice, beautiful cross golden cross right now. So this is perhaps that turning indicator. We've got a golden cross, guys. I believe we will continue to be bullish going forward. And if we have to look at the 4-hourly time frame, the 4-hourly time frame is about to give us that same beautiful, beautiful cross up there. And perhaps the 200 pulls up nicely with the 50 about to pull up as well. So I don't believe we're going to get this cross here, guys. Look, as much as we're oversold here, look how much volume came in here. This was an exceptional amount of volume, guys. So look at where we're at. We've closed the first 4-hour candle. We closed this 4-hour candle above this level. Cool. Confirm. Breakout. We retested. Confirm. Breakout. We busted up even higher. We didn't even come back down. And we then still closed this candle up there. But this is a huge selling pressure candle, guys. And like I've said to you previously, I had no doubt that by any means whatsoever that at this level there were going to be hundreds of thousands, if not tens of millions of short positions at this level. And guess what? It literally sucked it right back down, because that's what happens, right? So cool. Traders make a profit. You know, I don't trade like that. That's not my kind of trading style. I'm in it for at least a few days, if not a few weeks. And like I said to you guys, if you want to trade with me, my Bitflex link is down below. I'm in a long-term position on my Bybit link, which you can also use down on the down pin for you. And then with that, I have an incredible amount of energy for you guys in terms of where this is going to possibly go. I mean, if we look at this, it really does look beautiful. What do you guys think about this down below? Thank you for letting me know. I truly appreciate it. And then if I could share with you guys the ETH BTC. Unfortunately, ETH BTC broke its level, pushed down, huge sell volume. So we retested this box here. Like I said, guys, we could come full, sit here flat. This would be probably a very good point to start accumulating more Ethereum. Okay. And then wait for this to make a huge pump up, and then probably take some profits on your Ethereum against Bitcoin. Now, if I have a look at this, this is a little bit more of a simple chart here, guys. So very simple lines of resistance that ended up being broken out of, as you guys can see over there nice and clearly. That is one level. This is another level. You know, and there are just multiple levels that we are looking at here that had these crazy breakouts. And as you guys can see, the breakouts, when they happen, they are mighty bullish. This one, okay, was a crazy 43%. This breakout was a crazy 13%. This breakout was a crazy 37%. And this breakout was a nearly 15%. So what do you think this breakout is going to look like, guys? For me, we're really coming to the point here where this level, okay, is now being tested on an ultra significant way, especially because we have Bitcoin halving coming up, especially because ETFs are looking juicy, okay? So things are starting to happen for us over here. Now, volume has been declining, okay, which is very interesting. And that shows a slowdown in investment into the asset, which, you know, could mean a number of different things. But like I said to you guys in my video over here, so if you didn't go and see this video and this video, make sure to go and check those videos out, because those videos show us exactly what is going on the Bitcoin dominance. And like I said to you guys in my video today, that we are developing a cup and handle pattern. And guess what? I said that it would take we probably hit this level and then pull back down here. So maybe that's exactly what's happening. But look how much volume has come in on the Bitcoin dominance. Plus we're turning up. Plus we're making higher lows over here and higher highs, which is, you know, very, very strong and very, very bullish. So I would like to say to you that this is probably going to do what I said here. Okay, reach this level, maybe hit a little bit of a rejection, pull back nicely, and then pump to the upside. Now, guys, I don't know what your thoughts are, but I'd like to see them down in the comments below. And then here is the Dixie, guys. the Dixie is confirming rejection from this level. Okay, so we are now in a downward momentum level transition here. As you can see, we are finally getting this double top here. Okay, boom and boom on the Dixie, which is actually very, very healthy for Bitcoin and risk on assets. So let's go and finish looking at some of the news that I got ready for you guys. So basically here, as you guys can see, this is from Rich Quack. I don't know if any of you guys know Rich Quack, but I do own some Rich Quack myself. I bought some last year and it's just chilling there in my account. And yeah, I didn't invest much, but it's, you know, obviously been burned a lot, but it's okay. Yeah, I just leave that. It's small amounts of money which are really insignificant to me, and that's the purpose of investing with you know, into crypto. That projects like Rich Quack are not Bitcoin, so you need to be able to invest small amounts of money that you'd be willing to just lose and just forget about, and that's what I've done. So as much as I love the project, I do. So shout out to them, Rich Quack. I really do just believe that it's very important to invest in Bitcoin right now. Even Bitcoin, as I showed you on the ETH BTC chart, I mean, Bitcoin is way stronger than Ethereum. Ethereum is being obliterated right now. So this is proof in the pudding, guys. And that's what they always say. So once this starts to happen, 2012 made these crazy pumps to the upside. This is 2016, crazy pumps to the upside. 2020, okay, as you guys can see here, short red, little bit sideways, short red, little bit sideways, short red, pump. You know, we know what this happened here. And then what have we had here? Short red, a little bit of a pump and a little bit of a sideways. And now we're going to start pumping and making our way up to parabolic gains just like this. And like I showed you guys on my video here, where was it? Must have been somewhere around this level. Yes, I think it was this video where there's Bitcoin manipulation. But this video here actually is where Arthur Hayes announced that he believes that Bitcoin would probably end up in this next bull cycle anywhere between 750,000 and $1 million. Now, we all know in this video where I did for you guys today, Kathy Wood and Natalie Brunel also had an interview where Kathy Wood had said that the bear case is $265,000 for Bitcoin in the next bull cycle. Okay, that's already pretty darn high. If I have to just continue to look at this chart, then the base case is around 680,000. Okay, that's already a little bit higher than this level here, guys. As you can see, so that's a major obliteration pump from these high. I mean, if you guys don't understand this, what I'm saying to you guys now, then I don't know if I can help you at the end of the day, but I'm here to help you. So if you need to know, you need to ask questions, then do so down in the comments below. But if you are a newbie to the crypto space, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you guys can actually see what's going on here in the crypto space. We do on this channel, I do technical analysis every day for you guys, a little bit of news for you guys, and I keep just touching base on multiple aspects of the crypto space so that you can kind of keep your mind together. But the most important thing is the technical charts, and that's why I'm showing you this particular chart here. Because at the end of the day, if we well, not if, when, it's just a matter of time, guys. We obliterate this, okay? We literally are not going to stop. Look at how every single time, the only time that we had huge resistance for the previous all-time high was here in 2016, okay? And there was a few candles here that resisted this level, and then all of a sudden it was like a bow and arrow that was being held and literally okay, and that's what happened. So I don't know about you guys, but this crazy initial pump today that pumped up to $30,000. I mean, $30,625 is what it pumped to on my Bitcoin Binance chart. That's what happened, guys. So the SEC approval of the iShares sparked the surge, according to Cointelegraph. But this really didn't happen because actually, at the end of the day, we now know that this was fake news. And as we can see here, Cointelegraph apologizes publicly to their community that for a tweet that led to dissemination of inaccurate information regarding the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF. An internal investigation is currently underway We are committed to transparency and will share the findings of the investigation with the public once it's concluded. So they haven't shared that with us just yet. But if I have to go just show you guys very quickly that this is the actual coin telegraph page. Hey, what's up, Great BC? Shout out, brother! And definitely we are so effing back, boys. Let me know. Hit me up. We're gonna do a gym session. Come on, let's do this. But yeah, we pumped here. So yeah. Hey, Mr. Chris, man, what's up? Shout out to you, MM Crypto. Veracity, guys. Oh, man, I love Veracity. You guys know that I love Veracity. But anyways, I'm getting a little bit carried away here with what it is that I'm looking at. I have things to show you, so I'm going to show you those things. Let me just refresh those so that we can get this nice and done. This is a fake Telegram, Cointelegraph page, as you can see. Over there, this is not Cointelegraph. But I just wanted to show you that this basically, I don't know if it's real or not real, but this basically said we had an unfortunate incident where an intern falsely tweeted iShares Bitcoin ETF approval by the SEC. We have investigated and fired the intern and deducted 6 months of wages from his company linked bank account. He was tipped off by a known scammer. So, cool. He was tipped off by a known scammer. Maybe he made some money from it. Maybe that's why he was fired. We don't know. I can't judge. I don't want to give my opinion at all. I don't really, this unfortunate if he loses his job, but if, this happened, that is what happened. Then that's that, guys. So, it is what it is. I can't say to you, but this is from Wick or Zero Hedge BTC Dominance. And like I've been saying to you about my dominance chart, guys, regardless if the ETF was fake news or not, the Bitcoin dominance chart is still showing a breakout of resistance, which is what I showed you guys with my cup and handle pattern. There's my cup and handle pattern. We tapping on resistance. We haven't been at these levels. Well, of course, since there, which was 29th of June, but I'm talking about before then. When was the last time we were actually at these levels? Let this chart just load, and then it'll do its thing. But guys, I mean, I'm saying we could even come up to here on Bitcoin dominance, maybe even meet this resistance level up here. But we'll refresh that quickly for us so that we can go and look at it properly. And then, as you can see here, while its breakout from resistance it's close to also breakout from a volatility squeeze. Technically, from this context, the fun hasn't died yet, which I completely agree with Zero Hedge, guys. So shout out to you, Zero Hedge. And this is from Eric Balchunas. I'm not sure what time this is in American local time, but basically they're going to cover the ETF fake news and overall race on the ETF IQ at 1 p.m. with Jay Seif and Kaylee Lyons and Astrologer Advisors to talk the duration temptation and drill down the OTD ETF QQQQ, which has $80 million already. Start 1 p.m. can stream here. So this is where they're going to stream it. If you guys want to go ahead and watch it, go ahead and watch that. I think that's going to be really cool. But at the end of the day, as we can see here, it's been a busy day for us, guys. And this chart is looking more and more real for us as we get along in this market. So, guys, don't be shy of that BTC dominance. Remember to go ahead and trade using my links down below in each video. I'm just going to click on the video for you guys so that you can go ahead and have a look. But basically, here in the description of the video, it's over here, and I will pin it for you guys. But actually, I haven't pinned it on this video for you, but I will pin it for you guys, basically, and that is this right here. So I'm going to pop that over into the chat here, and let's see what that does for you guys on this chat. So let's do this, and there you go, and we can make sure that you guys are getting that. Hey there, Capricisa, thank you. Thanks for being here with me. Thanks for being here with me. That's Super cool. Much love and appreciations, guys. Forgive me because I don't know, like, if you guys can actually see this. I don't know if it's showing you that. I don't know what's going on there on the front end, but I'm just going to do my best to continuously bring this to you. So, guys, let's talk about what's under each of my videos so that you guys know. So, first of all, if you guys want to go ahead and trade, this is actually $10 now. It's not $50. So, I will correct that for us. But if you want to go ahead and trade, intraday, I use Bitflex for intraday trading. It's very cool charts, very incredible. And I will do a video for you guys very soon on that. Maybe we can do next week's live session and do a live trade. Would you guys like that? Let me know down in the comments below. And then you can see here Bybit. Basically, Bybit, we can is also pinned down there for you guys, and that is my long-term account, and you can get up to $30,000 deposit bonus. So please go ahead and click that. Now, as you can see, I use Bybit, I use Bitflex, I use BitGet, I use OKX as well. And guys, I get paid to walk every single day. So when I take steps, whether it's from here to the bathroom or here to the car or wherever, as long as I got my cell phone on me, I'm getting paid to walk. And if you guys want to get paid to walk as well, and it's for free, and I'm staking for 12.5% annual returns, guys, on those coins. I'm just chilling, letting those things accumulate while I'm here making cash while I walk, okay? And by the time the bull cycle comes, yes, I'm going to take profits. I'm going to sell out of my coins, guys. I'm letting you know. And I'll take profits and I will earn massive gains from just walking and earning cash by walking. So don't not get yourself into that, guys. Click this link down here below. That's incredible. And please go ahead and follow me on all my social media platforms. You can see here's my Instagram account. There's my Twitter, my TikTok, my Facebook, my YouTube channel, which is obviously where you guys are right now. And I also have an account on Chirpy Social. I will also be getting a couple other crypto accounts, something like DSO. I will add to there at some point. But go check me out on there. I am going to start getting more and more into these. And I am going to be spending a little bit more time doing more content for these channels, guys. I am still un solo in what I do. It takes a lot of effort and a lot of energy. So smash the thumbs up on the videos, please. That would be truly appreciated. And if you guys want to get my alerts, I'm not extraordinarily active on there, but I do publish and post things on there as soon as I have done videos, etc. If I have something to share with you from Twitter or whatever, I do share it on my Telegram community. And my Discord community, guys, I'm still building that. I'm hoping that my youngest brother will come in and help me on that because he's brilliant at Discord. So hopefully he will come into that point at some point. And then, of course, guys, I have merchandise for you guys. Yes, it's on Etsy, but the merchandise is absolutely incredible. It's very, very, very beautiful merchandise. I have got some of the most incredible suppliers, all based in America, guys. So not even Chinese stuff. This is high quality American goods for you guys. So make sure to go ahead and check that out. And then, of course, I have, an astrologer. I have a personal astrologer who actually happens to be my brother. And his channel is here, and he helps me look at the different astrological times, which, as I've previously shown you guys on the channel, really is incredible because that brings together the alignment of the stars, because stars represent times which represent specific frequencies that are being expelled from the astrology, the stars, the moons, the planets. And that is being expelled down towards us on Earth. And we are those vibrational frequencies. We are receivers of those vibrational frequencies. And we are getting into the mindset. So at times when we know when there's full moon, people tend to go a little bit more crazy and loopy and like irritable. And like there's a lot of moon notion or emotion. Okay. Those are things that happen out there on this beautiful astrologer. So go check him out and book a session with him, guys. I guarantee you will not want to miss out on that opportunity. Okay, it is incredible. And yeah, you would say, oh, well, he's my brother. Of course you're going to vouch for him, guys. So many other people vouch for him and his work as well. So I'm not the only one. He's incredible at what he does. So make sure to go and check him out. And then, guys, I'm sure the newbies in the space want free crypto. How do you get free crypto? Well, this is how you get free crypto. I have free crypto mining apps. So there's Pi Network, guys. If you have not yet signed up to my link, go ahead and link. I've shown you. This is the most lucrative out of all of them, no doubt, guys. So go ahead and sign up, guys. I wouldn't, in fact, let us go and see what 1 Pi would be worth right now after that pump, that crazy pump there. So let's go and just have a very quick squiz here. Pi. Hello, what's going on? Pi. Okay, so Pi Network. There you go. Okay, so Pi Network, $40. We're up 14.2%, guys. Okay, I have 1,500 of those beautiful babies. Okay, more than that. And I've got that for free. Okay, you're going to ask, can you withdraw it? Yes, you will be able to withdraw it at some point when the mainnet launches. Okay, then all of these other apps, guys, making good Bitcoin earnings. I'm mining lots of crypto on here every single day. I get free diamonds, which I can purchase products for nothing or for discounts. I can get crypto for free. I can get early entry into airdrop. So if you guys want to see more of these things, how to get free cash, literally it's an airdrop is dropping you coins and free money. Literally helicopter money that's busy happening, guys. So, remember to do that. And guys, of course, last of all, I use a NordVPN. You guys can check it out down here. There's my NordVPN that is connected. Go check yours out. Get NordVPN. Use that link down below. You'll get yourself a nice discount. And I don't have an affiliation yet with Trezor Wallet. I'm hoping to do that. So Trezor Wallet, shout out to you if you hear this video. And then, of course, guys, if you want a full-time job or part-time job or whatever in crypto, go check out cryptojobs.com. Now, this is massive, massive, massive. Okay. I don't know what to say to you guys. Thanks for being here. Truly appreciate it. You guys are a blessing, a blessing, a blessing. And make sure not to miss out on the Bitcoin charts because Bitcoin is going to continue to pump from here. There's no doubt about that, guys. BTC is on the way to the moon and beyond. All right, guys. I'm going to ask you if you guys have any last little questions that you want to know. If not, then I believe we'll probably look at calling this an evening on the live stream. I hope you guys have enjoyed the live stream. Let me know if you guys have any questions down below. I don't believe so. I do believe that there is very, very little people. But yeah, guys, I'm super excited. Really, so much. Thank you for being here. Truly appreciate you all. You benevolently blessed and wonderful souls. Thank you for being here with me on the Crypto Bliss Show. I truly appreciate you. Much love. And we'll see you on the next live stream with Crypto Spotlight. Cheers, guys.